Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for all your crafting and gifting needs. The Toovip 100-pack small plain brown Kraft paper bags with handles. Stay tuned as we explore why these bags are the best small craft bags with handles available right now. Let's jump right into it. The Toovip Kraft paper bags are not your average gift bags. With a size of 5.25 by 3.25 x 8.25 inches, they strike the perfect balance between compactness and spaciousness, making them ideal for a variety of purposes. Crafted from durable 110 GSM Kraft paper, these bags are built to last. They can withstand weights of up to 5 pounds, so you can pack them full without worrying about tears or rips. But here's where it gets even better. These bags aren't just for gifting. They're incredibly versatile. Whether you're using them for Valentine's Day presents, shopping trips, party favors, or even wedding welcome bags, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the eco-friendly factor. Made from recycled paper, these bags are not only biodegradable but also recyclable. So you can feel good about reducing your environmental footprint while still enjoying the convenience of disposable bags. One of the best things about these bags? They're a blank canvas for your creativity. With their plain brown exterior, you can let your imagination run wild. Add your own words, designs, or decorations to personalize them for any occasion. Plus, with 100 bags in each pack, you'll have more than enough to fuel your crafting projects and gift-giving needs. And there you have it, folks. The Toovip 100-pack small plain brown Kraft paper bags with handles are truly the best small craft bags with handles on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to give thoughtful gifts, these bags are sure to impress. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, happy crafting and gifting!